Why can't I make a public profile on Snapchat? If you can't make a public profile, I'm gonna teach it how you can do so. First of all, open Snapchat on your device. Then click on your profile icon on the top left hand side. Then click on the settings or the gear icon on the top right. After that, scroll a bit down and find the option of privacy control. So here are some things which you need to change. First of all, go ahead and tap on contact me. And if it is selected to friends, you can select this to friends and contacts. This way your contacts can also view your profile and they can send you a friend request, making your account public. The second is the option of use my Bitmoji avatar. So you can just go ahead and select my friends, go to view my story and select friends only option, and you can also customize it yourself as well. Then go to comment settings and click on auto approve everyone by default. The next step is to click on see me in find friends and click on this button over here to show yourself in find friends. The last one is the activity indicator. Just go ahead and turn this as well. And the additional thing is see my location. If you want to completely make your profile public, just go ahead and click on see my location. And if the ghost mode is turned on, you can just go ahead and turn this off. So now you can just go ahead and do this and your profile will be going public. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.